What's up, YouTube? YouTube, what's up? So I'm on the way to the range today. Thought I'll show you some of the quick ammo that I'm gonna be using for the 22. I'm gonna be using some Winchester Wildcat, 40 grain. Also some Federal range pack, just a regular practice 40 grain, and also some Winchester plated hollow point 36 grain, and that's for the 22. For the AR, I'm going to be using just some Frontier 223 and some Iguala and some green tips. And for the 380 Sierra, oh no, this is the 9mm, sorry, it is here. Same thing, Sierra. I'm about to pick up some more rounds for the 380. For the 9mm, same thing. And then also some Iguala 9mm, which I'm gonna go pick up some more right now too. So it's range day, y'all. Gun range toys for today, y'all. Gotta make sure everything I got's reliable and affordable.